Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by inspecting the Bondo. Tap and press to feel adhesion and measure thickness. Once done, mask the surrounding paint and remove any trim so you access the full panel. Put on a respirator and eye protection because sanding dust is hazardous. Then assemble a grinder with an 80 grit disc and a stiff scraper. These are faster than hand sanding. Make sure to mark the repair edges with tape to avoid overcutting paint and position a drop cloth to capture debris. You now attack the bulk of the filler. Use the grinder with 80 grit and keep the pad flat so you remove filler without gouging the panel. As the Bondo softens, use a stiff plastic or metal scraper to lift chunks, work in controlled passes. Once most bulk is gone, switch to 120 grit to feather the transition and blend edges into sound filler or bare metal. Make sure to inspect the metal for any rust. Remove corrosion now to prevent future adhesion failure. You finish by feathering the repair area with 220 to 320 grit to create a smooth surface for primer and new filler. Once done, wipe the area with a tack cloth and a solvent wipe to remove dust and oils. This helps primer adhere. If bare metal is exposed, apply a rust inhibitor and then prime immediately. If you see high spots after priming, re-sand the area, and if adhesion looks weak, use a solvent test and repeat surface prep before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.